Hi, welcome to Mini Medi. Today we're going to talk about visualization. If you haven't started to use this technique, it is amazing. Your whole life is going to just change. It's life changing. So this is the moment of your life you need to start visualizing. Look it up, do a little research. This is something that's been proven and effective. And even Michael Jordan used these techniques of visualizing. And there is a technique to it because you visualize the end result, but yet you let go of how it's going to be and just have fun. So there are some more effective ways to do it than you might perceive initially, because there are some fine tunings to the process, but it's really still not that difficult of an act. So if you're not visualizing, start visualizing every day, because believe it or not, you are visualizing and creating your day already. So if you're not happy with that, start looking, just like you could close your eyes and just imagine what you want your life to look like and to feel like, and whatever that image is, that's what you play in your mind every day for a few minutes. So that's what we're basically going to do for this mini medi visualization. Although I can't vision for you, I have my own visions, and we probably aren't an exact match, but I want you to just kind of use this as a template, if you will, an example of how you might go about this. So we're just going to do it in a meditative state. You don't have to necessarily be in exact alliance with the way I'm doing it, but this is how we'll do it together today, just for practice. So I always start my meditations with 3 deep breaths, and we can just hold our hands out, or you can set them in your lap, whatever's comfortable. There's no right way. So 3 deep breaths just to center yourself. I hold a vision of me living the life that I choose. I choose a beautiful life full of love and blessings and harmony and laughter. I see myself looking in the mirror, and in the mirror I am living an abundant life, surrounded by luxury, dressed in a beautiful outfit. I'm happy, whole, and I feel satisfied and complete. Life is good. I'm living in my beautiful home, and I just had my kitchen remodeled to my taste. I am standing in my dream kitchen, and I am admiring it, and I am so grateful for all that I have. I am in the end result. I vision myself as already having the life and the lifestyle that I desire. And I feel good, joyous, free. I feel financially secure, blessed, and I feel successful. And I am so grateful for all that I have, and all that I have, I share freely with my family and my friends. I see myself donating to all the causes that are close to my heart. I'm happy to do so. I know I'm constantly in the flow of goodness. I give in love, and I'm receiving in love at all times. This is the life that I choose. And I know I have the power, and all the power in the universe is bringing this into physical manifestation. And I just hold these thoughts in my mind's eye every day. The thoughts that I desire, that I choose, that I want. And I'm just going to take a deep breath in and know that this is true and this is happening. And exhale. Exhale any doubts. And now just say thank you, thank you, thank you. So that's basically how you do it. You don't fight with yourself. You just hold that vision a few minutes a day and don't get caught up into the hows or caught up into any doubts, or maybe while you're doing it you'll think it's not proper, or maybe that's something your family taught you it's not proper to ask for things for yourself. But if you want to live the life that you want, you choose what you want, and you just imagine the end result and see yourself in that. You know, whether you're visual, that's okay. If you're just a person who feels things, like I feel things, I think there's more power in feeling it. So just know you don't have to get all caught up and make things happen. You definitely need to be mindful and do what comes to you to do, and start knowing what you really do truly want, get a clear idea on that, and then what your personal gifts are to share with the world and the people around you. And you do have to put a little work into it every day, but like even Michael Jordan says, you know, he obviously, we know he worked hard, right? But he also enjoyed what he did. It's very important that you enjoy what you're doing, so it doesn't feel like, oh God, another day at work, or that's not very, life is short. We want to have as much enjoyment as we can, but it's our responsibility. Nobody wants to hear that, but it is. It's up to me to create the life that I want. But happy visualizing. If you are still confused on how to visualize, please contact me at minimedi333@gmail.com, and I would more than love to help walk you through it more specifically if you don't understand, or if you have a specific thing you want me to do one of these visualizing on my channel for everybody, and it can be specifically for you. That's wonderful. I'm always open to things like that. So if you haven't already subscribed, hit the button below. Please watch the next video, and I will see you next time. I do try to faithfully upload on Mondays and Fridays, and I'm usually faithful to that. I know I'm not 100%, but you can count on me, and I will see you next time. You have a magical, beautiful day creating your day.